Hey, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower engine for our customer's 1955 Chevrolet Belair. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have the engine block painted the Chevrolet orange with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct oil pan on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set, roller lifter camshaft, double roller timing chain, high flow shorty water pump for the customer's 55 Belair. We have a brand new balancer on there, brand new timing cover, Taylor ignition wires, American made in the red. We have these real nice ridge style polished valve covers with a matching air cleaner with a washable filter. Aluminum intake manifold, braided PCV line on there with a blue end cap. We have the correct thermostat housing for the 55 Chevy Belair. Thermostat's installed. Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and spring. We have the MSD ignition coil on there. Small cap distributor, correct for the 55 Belair firewall clearance. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed for any vacuum hookups. Customer, we're going to be installing a TKX 5-speed manual transmission with the internal hydraulics rod bearing. Installing that next week when it comes in. We have the ram clutch all installed, aligned, ready to go. Correct aluminum bell housing for the TKX transmission. High torque mini starter. Chrome dipstick and tube. Matching ridge style polished breather. Braided fuel lines, the carburetor, electric choke wire, all the braided fuel lines going to the high flow muscle car series fuel pump, Edelbrock gas filter, braided lines, all the loop clamps going up, 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right here. We are going to be getting the V belts in tomorrow. We'll install that for the customer. Again, we have the shorty standard rotation water pump, the correct water pump for the 55 Belair. Power steering pump, GM Saginaw pump, all set. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We adjust the idle mixer screws to achieve the best manifold vacuum. Set the idle for you. Check for leaks. Everything has gone over 100% perfect. So when you get the engine in, you know you're going to have total confidence. You put it in, it'll be 100% perfect. So when we're ready to buy, give us a call or text us at 908-323-5847 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family-owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So again, here you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower Rollercam engine for the 55 Chevrolet Belair. Thanks for watching.